curved monitor light that I have for my setup here. So the first thing I want to show off is it's got the curve feature instead of that flat bar. It's got a weighted back with a Type-C port, and it gives you this battery-powered remote control that controls the light. It's got this little rubber surface at the bottom so it can stick and not slide off your desk. And we'll go ahead and show some of the features. So the first feature is if you press and hold, it turns off the top ambient light or the RGB light. If I do a short press, it turns off the light itself. So I'm going to turn on the light with the short press, and then by holding it in and turning, it changes the color temperature. So first I'm going to go all the way to the bottom, which is the 2900. And this is that warm white candle orange glow. And then if I hold it down and turn clockwise, now you can see I'm into that bright 6000 CCT white light, and you can see the difference of the wood, my GoPro battery, and my hand as well. Now the top, by doing the long press, is the lighting that lights up here at the top, and then when you do double presses, you can cycle through the different lighting patterns that it has. And then when you have those lit, what that does is lights up the ceiling with all the different colors.
Hey guys, I'm really happy with this product over here. Pairs really well with my Samsung 49-inch Odyssey curved monitor. So this light bar has a couple of settings. It has, like a dimmable feature where you can essentially just dim the light, which is pretty cool. And then you can actually change some of the features on the RGB. Okay, and then it's pretty simple. One click and it just turns it off. So I'm actually put this right over here next to my monitor. So whenever I go towards my light bar, I pretty much just click it once. It has like a default setting. I want to turn the RGB, I hold it, and then it pretty much turns on. So yeah, really happy with this product. And their customer service is extremely good. They got to me pretty fast when I had a question, but yeah, 100% recommend buying this light bar.
One click and the light comes on. It's a beautiful light. You want to turn it down, go down, turns down. You want to turn it up, very, very bright. Then you tap and hold, and you see this beautiful ambient light in the back, RGB lights. Wow. You tap and hold and twist, you change the colors. Absolutely amazing product.